If your kids love Pokemon like mine do, I know they will love this puzzle. It is a complicated puzzle, I'll tell you that. 1,000 pieces. They are great quality pieces, everything's super bright, and every Pokemon is exactly how you'd expect that Pokemon to look. And I loved building this with my 8-year-old and 11-year-old. I was just trying to pattern match. They knew all the names and knew exactly where to look every time I handed them a piece. And it's really fun that it's basically color coded with different parts of the puzzle being different colors of Pokemon, which makes it way simpler to put together for a complex puzzle. In general, the kids absolutely loved the project, and I did too. The Pokemon 1,000 piece puzzle. Perfect for all ages.